Alright guys, welcome back. I am starting this video out here again because someone had a question about what all these pipes are for. I'm sure you're going to be coming back to the video to watch today. I think you're a regular. So these pipes are for the service gear, and basically the power from outside the street or wherever it comes from is going to be here, and these are going to be service gears, and then all these pipes go inside the building to power up the building, either for the first floor, south wing, north wing, and then wherever, elevator, everything else. So all these pipes are going inside the building to power up the inside of the building, and then the gear will go on top of it, and then you pull the wire and then hook up the gear. So the gear has power, and then the gear sends the power into the building. So hopefully that answers your question if you are stopping by. And then I'm going to go inside and show you guys the other things I was working on today, which was exactly the same thing as yesterday. So pulled some more strings, didn't finish that, and then finished all the lighting circuits. So yesterday I finished that wing, and then today finished this wing and then the other wing down that way. So all of those are done. So basically, like in this room, here's the home run right here. I label all my wires. So you got your home run, and then you got your power out, which just goes there to the next room, and that goes into the bathroom switch. And then from this bathroom switch, or not this bathroom switch, I try not to take it out of the bathroom switch, but in that case I did on the other one. So all the power will get sent from the bathroom, it'll jump all the way over here, and then you got your power out again, and then that goes up, over, and then I took it to the closet because I'd rather have 4 wires in the closet box and add another wire into the 5 or 6 that go into the triple gang right there. So finished all the lighting jumpers, all the home run circuit jumpers, and then I'll show you my room I worked on a little bit at the end of the day. Another 8.5 hour day. I would have stayed later, but really in a bad mood today. Just living at home sometimes just really doesn't make me want to live anymore. So finished the home runs, finished the 12 wire home runs, bathroom heater, bathroom plug, P-tack, and then the bedroom heater right there. So finished off my checklist right here. I just need to cross that one off that I nailed the last 2 boxes on. That was a real pain trying to nail that on because it was right into a knot or something. So man, that took like 10 minutes or something. So anyways, the only thing I really did was make up this fan right here, which I had to take off and cut that piece of metal because someone didn't cut it long enough. So just some things not going my way today. But anyways, just have to staple all this down, stick it in the box and make it up. So all the wires pulled, and I think that's gonna wrap it up. So gonna go do some stuff with some friends tonight, so that should cheer me up. Good things to come in the future. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hopefully your day was better than mine. It turned out pretty well, you know. Anyways, I'm just not even gonna talk about it. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. I'm just gonna grab my battery charger here. Here's my external battery charger. So with that being said, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. I don't even know. I can't think right now. Have a good rest of your day, guys. God bless. Catch you later. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for 300, guys. I really appreciate it. Finally hit 300 last night. Thanks for all the continued support. You guys are rocking it. You guys cheer me up, so thank you for that. See you later. Tomorrow.